Hey singers, feeling nervous before a performance is completely normal. Stage fright and performance anxiety is something that most of us deal with, right? I know I've definitely struggled with it over the years, and actually I still do sometimes, if I'm honest with you. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 practical techniques to help you tackle stage fright and performance anxiety, and these tips have really helped me, and I've done some really big performances at the Royal Albert Hall, the O2 Arena in London, and these tips have helped me. So I just want to share them with you, and I want you to be able to walk onto stage as the confident, bold singer that I know that you are. It's already inside of you. Sometimes we just need to pull it out. All right, so let's talk about it. So the key is not to avoid stage fright and anxiety. Sometimes we might try and avoid putting ourselves into situations where we're going to feel that, right? But what we can do when we are in those situations with the right mindset and preparation is we can channel that energy and make it more of an empowering experience. We just need to reframe those nerves as excitement. And I know, always easier said than done, but it's essential to understand that stage fright, it isn't a sign of weakness. It's the body's natural response to what it perceives as a threatening situation. The racing heart, the dry mouth, the sweaty palms, the shaky knees, the shaky voice, and just feeling like you completely lost control. These are all the body's way of gearing up for an important event, which is your performance. So let's get into some practical techniques to really help tackle this head on. I know these tips are gonna help you just as they've helped me. So the first one is a grounding exercise, which is so powerful. You have to ground yourself before stepping onto stage. Plant your feet firmly into the floor. Feel the solid floor beneath you. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and fully visualize yourself delivering an incredible performance. This is a mental rehearsal, and it will help to ground and center you in the present moment, and it is a powerful exercise. So try it before you next perform, and I promise you it will help. So this next one is all about familiarizing yourself with your performance space. So if possible, try to visit the venue ahead of time, walk onto stage, look out at the seats, and just really take in the whole layout so that you can get used to it before your performance. Knowing your environment can significantly reduce anxiety. Number 3 is vocal warm-up. So be sure to properly warm up your voice and body before showtime. This is pretty much just standard, but it's going to allow you to really know where your voice is at. Plus, you're also going to get that mental focus that it provides. It's really going to divert your mind from worrying thoughts, and warm-ups will just get you ready to perform at your peak as well. So there's so much benefit in warming up. So the next one is power poses. So right before going on stage, strike a power pose. Shoulders back, head high, chest proud. This body language is going to signal confidence to your brain. It's all about your body language and mental attitude, and it makes such a big difference. So really give this a try. The last one is acceptance. Finally, just acknowledge that nerves are gonna happen. Nerves are normal. Don't fight them. Accept anxiety as an expected part of the journey, and you can decide to really embrace that adrenaline and channel it effectively through your performance. Channel that energy into being excited about connecting with your audience. So remember, it's okay to be nervous. What matters is the passion, the message, and the music that you bring to stage. And over time, I promise you, as you gain more experience and really just practice these techniques, the grip of stage fright and anxiety will lessen for sure. I know, because I've experienced this myself, but you have to just get out there and do it. And even if you're afraid, do it afraid. You have to get out of your comfort zone in order to grow, and I'm speaking from experience because I've been there. I've been through this, and there are times when I just didn't want to perform. I wanted the ground to swallow me up. I wanted to hide under a table, but I did it anyway, and I did it afraid. My voice would shake. I felt nervous. I felt like I had no control. I lacked confidence, but the only way to get better is to go through it. There's just no way around it. So we need to get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Sometimes we are just so comfortable that we don't grow. Here's a little pic of me performing at the Royal Albert Hall back in 2010. So yeah, but these tips they've really helped me. I know that they can help you as well, but get comfortable with being uncomfortable, and let me tell you to do it afraid. Do it afraid. And that's pretty much it from me.